So this might not be what you want to hear, but unfortunately accounting is a very rule-based profession. So when we're thinking about weird terminology, what I always recommend is finding a method that works for you. Whether that's thinking of an acronym, whether that's thinking of a way of thinking about it, something. Find something that triggers something in your brain so that when you see that term, that whatever it is that you're having trouble with, you're kind of like, aha, yes, I remember what that means. So all of the terms that you just gave have to do with receivables. So pledging and assigning receivables are essentially the same thing. You're assigning those receivables as collateral for some type of loan. Factoring is a little bit different. Factoring means that you are selling the receivables and you typically have a factoring fee. This is a fee to sell the receivables to somebody else. It's a special term. I wouldn't say that it's something that we hear in our day-to-day life. So that was something that I had to memorize. I had to remember what factoring was, what a factoring fee was. I was selling the receivables and there was a factoring fee involved. But when it came to assigning receivables, I was basically taking these unassigned receivables and I remembered that I was assigning them somewhere else as collateral. Remembering that pledging and assigning were the same thing, that's kind of just a rule. But that was the way that I could remember. So figure out what works for you and then just memorize it that way. But if you go and ask a professor, hey, does this work? Can I memorize it this way? Make sure you understand the why and how that memorization works. So that way, if you come up onto a special nuance or something, you're not accidentally making the wrong assumption. Good luck out there.